Today, guys, we're gonna be showing you how to make a cola sound, but that's gonna be so. Okay, never mind. That's gonna water and baking soda can make a cola sound. So today we're doing a cola sound. Okay, I'm gonna go in my fridge, get some baking soda, and put some cola. Yeah, not some cola, some baking soda. Okay, just like baking soda right in my hand. I'm in Kosovo. And let's open. And let's put hold up. And we're gonna close it. Yeah, we're gonna close it with that is a jar. Yeah, that is a jar. It's not a bowl. It's a jar. Jar. Okay. We have now baking soda right there, so we're gonna place it on. Okay. I'm making an experiment. That's actually an experiment. It looks like tunnels in my mouth. Looks like a cola sound, bro. It looks like a Pepsi. Yeah. Because I put so much and just some baking soda. Okay, we're gonna shake it up close. Okay, you hear it? Okay, that was super cool. And let's see what should we do, guys? Okay. Today, where my lettuce is right in behind me. So that's so stupid, bro. That's so stupid. But that's so stupid right now. That's so stupid. I'm gonna go upstairs. Because I forgot the thing. I'm thinking when I was not. Right there, there's someone. Right there, this door right there, there's so many slime. This door. This door, there's so much slime. And just open. Okay, we're in here climb. Okay, sleeping here. So guys, that was a super cool sound. That was a cola sound, Coca-Cola sound. And bro, that was so good. That was so crunchy. Yeah. I know what to eat it because we cannot eat baking soda, bro. But we're gonna do cupcakes. Or we can do cakes. Yeah, kind of jobless. So bye. Let's see what we do with baking soda in the comments. Can we do slime like this? Do like water slime like this? Cool sound. Bye. Alright, so bye. Okay. Right now is 40 minutes and 45 seconds. 45 seconds. Okay, I want to sleep right now. Well, see you in 5 minutes. But so let's start 5 minutes. We need to wait cool. It's 5 minutes. I'm gonna bye guys. Bye. See you later because I want to sleep. Okay. Bye.